First thing first, on the Google search, you want to search for Intuit TurboTax. And on turbotax.intuit.com, you want to click on that link. Then on this window, you want to click on Sign In button at the top right of your screen. Usually, your TurboTax account that you used on the same device before will appear, and you can just click on it to signing into your account. But if it's not there, and if you see this window instead, you can start to insert your phone number or email that you used to signing up before on TurboTax, and you want to tap on Sign In button. Right here, you want to type in your password for your TurboTax account, or you can also receive code on your phone number that you used to signing up before. It will came by a text message, and using it as the other way to sign in. You can pick on any of them. Right here I want to use my password, so I can just click on Continue button. And there you go. You already signed into your TurboTax account. And you can start to file for your taxes. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.